It really doesn't matter what people are saying they can handle or not. That's you. It's just math. Like you just have to count up how many people are rioting and like know how many police officers LA has available to know that they don't have enough. They needed backup. Like how many days are people supposed to go without going to work or being able to shop? Like you can't do that. That's life needs to go on. You can't just shut down whole cities. That's not how that works at all.
Here's what's happening in sanctuary cities where they refuse to cooperate with ICE, where one agent can go in and arrest one detainee that's in jail. They instead have to do a complete operation to arrest this person on the streets. And when they go in, say, to an apartment where maybe there are 8 or 10 people living, they're going to check who they're with. And if those people are simply here illegally but haven't committed a crime, they're not going to say, "Oh well, we'll overlook that. You're here illegally." By law, they have to detain them and take them in for deportation. They're creating that which they fear the most. They're forcing the agents into the community to deal with people that maybe aren't violent criminals. So they're creating that which they uh, fear the most. And look, the mainstream media is not reporting the facts. What happened in LA and what happens in most of these situations are interagency situations. In LA, this was a multi agency situation. There was a search warrant issued by a federal judge against a company that is alleged to have undervalued imports, some counterfeit, by $80 million. They had underpaid their tariffs by an estimated $17 million. Half of their workforce were illegal immigrants. And so when they go in to serve this search warrant on this alleged criminal enterprise, these illegal aliens get caught up, these illegal immigrants get caught up in that sweep of this criminal enterprise. So they get arrested.
Each time I was in the hospital to have the girls, I would binge watch Dr. Phil. I think that he is a good person and tried to do good, and he did end up like taking advantage of people and like sending them to the ranch when it wasn't the greatest place. But I think that he really thought he was helping people. But it's so refreshing to have somebody on Pierce Morgan like completely understand like what's going on and just say it instead of like just bullshitting the whole thing with Trump and the LA riots and stuff. Like it's so nice to have somebody that understands it and can put it in words and like have it hit. Like I love it.